How to hide your following list on TikTok.
This will make it so people can't see who you're following regardless of whether you have a public or private account. So start out on your profile page. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. On this page, tap on Privacy. Then scroll down to Following List. Tap on that, and this box will pop up that says who can see your following list. If you don't want everybody to be able to see it, tap Only You. This will prevent even your friends or people you follow that also follow you back. Basically, if Only You's on, nobody will be able to see it. If you don't want to hide it though, you can tap on Everyone. I'm going to select Only You since that's my personal preference. Once you're done, you can just tap on the X or anywhere outside that box. And that's it. Before you go, check this out.